Hello everyone, welcome back to English Vibes. In this series, we'll focus on improving our speaking skills through dialogue shadowing practice. We will explore a variety of daily dialogues, and by the end of this series, you will be able to speak with confidence and engage in discussions with ease. So let's get started. Please repeat each phrase 3 times along with me.
Hey, is this seat taken? Hey, is this seat taken? Hey, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. No, go ahead. No, go ahead. Thanks, are you new here? Thanks, are you new here? Thanks, are you new here? Yeah, I just moved here last week. Yeah, I just moved here last week. Yeah, I just moved here last week. Oh, really? Where are you from? Oh, really? Where are you from? Oh, really? Where are you from? I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy. Nice. How do you like the city so far? Nice. How do you like the city so far? Nice. How do you like the city so far? Honestly, I like it. Honestly, I like it. Honestly, I like it. People are friendly, but everything feels so fast. People are friendly, but everything feels so fast. People are friendly, but everything feels so fast. Yeah, it takes some time to get used to it. Yeah, it takes some time to get used to it. Yeah, it takes some time to get used to it. Exactly. 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 Well, welcome to the city. Well, welcome to the city. Well, welcome to the city. Thanks. I'm excited to be here. Thanks. I'm excited to be here. Thanks. I'm excited to be here. I think you'll like it here. I think you'll like it here. I think you'll like it here. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so.
Amazing job practicing today, everyone.
You need to repeat this video. Repeating this content builds what we call muscle memory in your mouth.
Right, because speaking English requires your mouth to move in ways it might not be used to.
Exactly. And it also really helps you memorize the new vocabulary we learned today. Words like opportunities and stressful.
So true. Keep practicing, everyone, and see you next time.